In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a countdown timer in PowerPoint to use in a Microsoft. Start by signing in to Outlook on the web with your Microsoft account. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the left sidebar and open PowerPoint from your Microsoft apps. That will launch PowerPoint for the web, so we can build this directly in your browser. When PowerPoint opens, choose Create Blank Presentation to get a fresh canvas. With the new presentation open, go to the Home tab, open the Slide Layout menu, and switch the layout to blank. This clears out any title or content placeholders, so your timer stands out on its own. If you ever navigate away from Home, just return to the Home tab to access the layout options again. Now move to the top right area of the menu and open the Add-ins options. Select Add-ins, then use the search box to look for an add-in called Break Time. When you find break time, click Add and approve any prompts to install it. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection, the timer panel may take a few seconds to appear on your slide. Once it shows up, you're ready to configure it. Inside the timer panel, adjust the minutes and seconds to set your countdown duration. For a quick demo, set it to 1 minute so you can see it in action right away. There's also a label field where you can type a short description, something like lunch, break, or Q&A, so your audience knows what the timer is counting down to. Keep it brief and clear. When your time and label are set, click Start. The countdown will begin immediately, and you can run it while you present. If you plan to show it full screen, jump into slideshow view, and the timer will continue ticking visibly on the slide. If you need to pause, reset, or change the duration, use the controls within the add-in and restart as needed. A few tips to make this smoother. Using a blank layout helps keep the timer uncluttered and easy to read from a distance. If your theme colors make the timer hard to see, adjust your slide background or theme for better contrast. Before a live session, do a quick test run so you know how the controls behave in slideshow, and remember to save your presentation so the add-in remains available the next time you open it. That's it. You've created a clean, reliable countdown timer in PowerPoint for the web, starting right from Outlook using the break time add-in.